Hey everyone, meet Brandon here. I am fixing my wife's Nissan Rogue. Her moonroof has been leaking and you can see my son playing with the water. So here's the moonroof. Not sure what yours looks like, but what was happening is the water was dripping instead of down and out where it's supposed to. It was dripping inside the car and I could feel water here. And so I pulled off all these clamps and lifted it up, and lo and behold, look at that. All that water was just sitting in there. So I've obviously cleaned it and stuff. Maybe I'll make another video about that, but I want to show you a trick that I learned from YouTubers on how to fix it. So what happens is this moonroof or sunroof, the water pulls up and that's supposed to come down through like a tube and it's supposed to exit right there. The problem is, and you can probably even see where some water's dripped through there. Problem is they have this little filter right here that's inside of there. It's literally up. If you watch my finger, it's literally up in there. Stick your finger in there and you'll feel it. Now, as I've broken it off, it's a clear tube. It's like a little bit thinner than your pinky finger, depending on how big your pinky finger is. But there's two, one on each side that runs down. So this is driver's side, obviously, and it runs right. It's a little trickier to see this one right there. See it? So I won't lie, this one was a lot trickier to get out. But guys, the deal is the water's supposed to flow out of there. So I took off this harness and stuff. I'm not gonna make a video about that, but basically all you have to do is take off your wipers, the little clips and stuff. Pretty simple. This is all the stuff I used. I don't even know what that is. A 9x16 will get the wiper blades off. You really want a flathead, and what I did was I just took the flathead, got down in here, and then basically just kept smashing till that little yellow plastic piece broke off, which filters out the water, which clogs it. So what's happening is it's getting clogged. So I hope this helps you. Hit me up if you have any more questions. This is pretty simple to take off. This whole piece comes off. This is where the wipers would have been. This whole piece comes off. It just has these little clamps. And stay tuned for the next video because I'm gonna pour water down the front and let's test and see if it comes out of here. So hit subscribe, hit thumbs up. This saves you time and money. Thanks for subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.